Morph is a pioneering health platform that analyses a person's movements, biomarkers and lifestyle in order to deliver fast and effective on-demand training both virtually and in person.
Our vision is to provide the most efficient path to optimal health for everyone. The problem we are addressing is big, global and growing. With the health of the world population in decline, obesity is now a recognised epidemic, with 39% of the global population severely overweight. Over 80% of people will give up on a fitness goal within the first 6 weeks. With all of these options to get fit, why are these statistics still rising?
Research suggests the most common barriers to exercise adherence are too time-consuming, too expensive, too much conflicting information out there, and too lonely and uninspiring a journey to do it alone.
Our fitness passport accrues physiological and biometric data from trainer and user input to provide progress metrics and actionable recommendations that are completely personalised to every client, developing a realistic roadmap for their journey ahead. We have created an entirely new framework for digital movement assessment, making our programs even more individualised, leading to maximum results in minimal time. With our community feature, customers are able to connect with friends and other like-minded individuals to share their journey, encourage each other, and challenge one another.
Another USP is our Morph Academy. We are taking accountability for the quality of your health professional and hand-selecting one of the most comprehensive teams in the industry, and then training them in our unique methodology. Whether you're starting your fitness regime for the very first time, training competitively, or just tracking your steps, Morph provides the feedback, support, and community you need for optimal adherence and progress.
We have a combined 30 years experience in the industry and have witnessed thousands of people struggle to achieve their health goals. And more recently, COVID-19's impact on public health awareness and an increasing demand for continuous health assessment.
I originally trained in sports science before setting up my own fitness business, focused on delivering fast and effective training sessions for the busy Londoner. My passion to help others has led to my obsession with creating this expansive wellness ecosystem.
With a background in exercise science, I have founded a state-of-the-art wellness facility in London and am passionate about making healthy living more accessible to everyone.
The current market leaders seem to focus on the tired approach of one size fits all and no pain, no gain, which evidently isn't working since the churn rate is so high, and these numbers don't lie. On the other hand, Morph has an immersive approach. Our platform is built around facilitating optimal adherence. Our market is those who want to achieve a healthier lifestyle with maximum efficiency.
Morph earns revenue from subscription options as well as individual sessions and packages. Virtual training and assessments will be offered internationally, whilst in-person options will only be available in London. Our freemium app will be available in the new year with a limited range of content and features.
Our MVP is currently available on both Apple and Android stores, and we have a continually growing database. We have begun offering health concierge packages aimed at the corporate wellness market.
This is your opportunity to invest at seed stage right before we significantly scale up. The funds will go towards software development, marketing and staff, with a strong focus on growing our user base and developing our algorithms. Morph will be the most comprehensive health optimization platform available.
This is an ideal time to invest in health tech. Make your move and join our journey.